Anytime you can have multiple layers on your card projects where one layer is slightly larger than the other to give the effect of a mat, it really helps to enhance your projects. Well, what happens when you want to do this with a punch, but you only have that punch in one size? Let me show you a quick trick to make it look like you have a larger one and a smaller one to create that matte effect with your punches. Here's an example on a card where I have a tag with the white tag with the greeting and then a slightly larger version with cardstock. Now I created this one with die cuts, but what if we want to create a similar effect with punches and we only have that one size of that punch? Well, let's take a look at what we can do with that. A very simple tip, if you want kind of a layered effect, is just to put some adhesive on the back layer and to offset it a little bit. But what if you want to make it look like the back layer is actually a little bit bigger? Here's how you can do that. Punch one out, cut it in half. I like to attach these with glue because I usually don't get it exactly where I want the first time. So I do exactly what I'm showing you right here. I'll attach the two pieces, lay them here with some glue on them, and then I can lay this approximately where I want it to be. I can make some adjustments until it's dry. I have to be a little bit careful with it, but let's flip this around and we'll attach the second side the same way. And it gives the illusion that we had two punches in two different sizes and we have that layered effect. I hope you find my quick tips helpful. Give it a like and a comment, help other crafters find it. Make sure you're subscribed. And I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.